Hello students. Today in the class we'll be studying about the last measure of central tendency in your syllabus, which is called mode. Earlier we have already discussed mean, median, and the third central tendency we are going to discuss is mode, and how to calculate mode by raw data you have already done in class first lecture. Then now today we are taking up the group data and we are going to find the mode. Again, for finding mode, the formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now again, what is L? L is the lower limit of model class. What is L? L is lower limit of model class. So first of all, for finding mode, you have to know what is the model class. You remember in raw data, what was the mode? The observation which is occurring maximum number of times was the mode for you. So here also, the question is from NCERT only. The question is, you have been given the lifetime of the bulbs in hours. 0 to 20 hours, kitne bulbs hain? 10. 20 to 40, 35 bulbs. 40 to 60 hours life hai jinki, that are 52 bulbs. 60 to 80 is the lifetime. 60 to 80 hours is the lifetime, is for 61 bulbs. 80 to 100 is for 38 and 100 to 120 is for 129. So, but which observation is occurring maximum number of times? That is 61. So, what will be the model class for you people? Please check out. Model class is, you have to very clearly mention it. Model class is 60 to 80, right? Model class is 60 to 80. So that means our L is equal to 60 because L is the lower limit. What is the H? H is the class size and that is 20. Now what about F1, F0 and F2? Whichever is the frequency, largest frequency, या model class को you write it as F1, इसको आप लिखोगे F0 and उसकी जो next है उसको you write it F2. This is the best way to remember. That is why I have taken F0, F1 and F2. F1 is the frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. F0 is frequency of previous class, preceding class, and F2 is frequency of proceeding class. Proceeding class. Now simple, you have to now calculate it. Now how will you calculate it? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what will be the model lifetimes? Mode की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे इसमें? Whatever being asked in the question. It is the model lifetime. Right? So L. What was the L? It was 60. F1 is 61. F0 is 52. That is 61 minus 52. 2F1. That is 2 into 61. Put up the bracket, otherwise you will be making the calculation mistake. This is minus 52 minus 38 into H. H is 20. Again, the way of calculating the things will remain same. जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि what you have to do, आपने लिखना है model lifetime is equal to 60 plus, this is 9 upon 122 minus 90 into 20. तो अभी आपने फिर again LCM नहीं लेना. It is 180, 90 into this, and this is 122 minus 90. That comes out to be 32. So it comes out to be 60 plus approximately 5 point, you divide it 180, it is 5, 200, so it should be 5.6. So your model lifetime is 65.6 hours, right? So this is the model lifetime of the bulbs. So I hope this is clear to you. This is about finding the mode of a grouped data. For finding mode or median, you have to very clearly see that what is the model class or median class. आपको उसके लिए मोड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मॉडल क्लास फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी पहले, और मीडियन के लिए यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट मीडियन क्लास. तो ये दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम्स ऑफ 2 marks. ये कंपल्सरी बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है. तो प्लीज, एंड इट इज वेरी सिंपल, सिंपली यू हैव टू क्रैम द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स अबाउट योर डेली रूटीन, that what I told you, median and mode, mean, median and mode are the 3 measures of central tendencies. तीनों की तीनों क्या है? They are the measures of central tendencies. तो how can you find out कि what is the difference between? ये just आपको मैं general way में बता रही हूँ. See, mode, सबसे पहले there are few things which I want to tell you about mode, mean and median. Mode can be more than, less than or equal to mean. Mode less भी हो सकता है, more भी हो सकता है, और mean के equal भी हो सकता है. अब how to differentiate कि अगर आपको suppose दिया नहीं होगा, वैसे तो आपको दिया होगा, लेकिन आपको कैसे पता है कि इस जगह हमने mean find किया, here we have found mode, या इधर हमने median find out किया. What is the difference between these 3? देखो, जब भी हमें average, suppose हमें we are talking about our class, तो क्लास में अगर मुझे मार्क्स निकालने हैं अबाउट 20 स्टूडेंट्स या 40 स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी स्मॉल डाटा इज देयर, तो अ स्टूडेंट कैन स्कोर 20 मार्क्स, स्टूडेंट कैन स्कोर 38 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 40. सो वी विल फाइंड द एवरेज मार्क्स बाय मीन. ठीक है. अब आपने निकाल लिया, टू फाइंड एवरेज मार्क्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट मीन. और इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मोड, दैट इज एवरेज मार्क्स स्कोर्ड बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. जो मिडिल मोस्ट वैल्यू आई थी वो कितने स्टूडेंट्स की आई, हमने ये बात करी ना. मोड के केस में हम कहते हैं द ऑब्जर्वेशन विच इज अकरिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, तो वो उस केस में वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट मोड. अब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मीडियन. मीडियन में क्या होता है, द डाटा इज वास्ट. व्हाट हैपेंस कि सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सैलरी ऑफ द होल कंट्री या एवरेज वेज इन अ कंट्री, तो दैट एवरेज वेज कैन वेरी. It can vary from 100 rupees per hour to 1000 rupees per hour. Yeah, we can talk about it can vary from 20,000 per month to 20 lakhs or 1 crores. In MNC, very few people are getting the salary in crores also. So there is a huge variation. One person is getting 10,000, the other person is getting more than 1 crore. So we can't justify कि हम ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि the average of the country is this. So in that case we find out median, the median salary. तो median in that case we find out, we don't find their mean. अगर उस केस में अगर हम average की बात कर रहे हैं, हम of course we can have here, not here, we can have median here also. Maybe in a class one student can score 0 mark, another student can score 40 on 40. So then again there is a huge variation, there is a large variation. So we can use the median also in finding out the average marks of the class. We can find median in average wages in the country also. So this is the difference between mean, median and mode. And always remember there is a relation, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. This will always be satisfied. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So in this class and in the previous classes we have already discussed about mean. Mean by 3 methods. तीनों methods we have already discussed mean के. Then we discussed mode. Mode क्या होता है, that we have discussed. Then we discussed median. Median में already we have done, एक हमने conversion सीखी below टाइप डाटा को कन्वर्ट करना अ नॉर्मल क्लास इंटरवल्स में. नाउ टुडे आई विल बी टेकिंग अप मोर देन टाइप डाटा and convert in class interval. Right? Let us start this topic. Now students, yesterday we discussed about how to convert below than type data into the normal class interval frequency distribution table, and today I will be teaching you how to make a more than type data, how to convert it into the normal frequency distribution table. In that below than type data, you remember in below than type data, CF is in increasing order में था, और more than type data में you just check it out. Here also the frequency is given in the form of cumulative, but it is in the decreasing order. It started from 53 and end up with 8. 53 से start हुआ 8 तक end up, right? तो how to convert? What is written? More than or equal to 0. 0 और 90 का total. More than or equal to का मतलब क्या हुआ? 0 से लेकर including 0 to 90 it is 53. तो आपका class interval since it is the gap of 10 only, तो ये बनेगा 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. पहले तो आप स्प्लिट अप करोगे ना इसको स्मॉल इंटरवल्स में, बिकॉज ये क्यूमुलेटिव डेटा आपको दे रखा है. तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू एज वी हैव डन इन बिलो टाइप डाटा ऑल्सो, हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट इन डाटा ऑफ 10 इंटरवल. दैट इज you will write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 90 to 100. Right? First you will write it in this form. Now what you have to do? You have to convert this cumulative frequency in frequency form. What will you do in this case? इसको आपने frequency form में करना है. You remember below than type data में जो first cumulative frequency थी, first cumulative frequency was equal to the first frequency, but in this case this will not happen. What will happen here? You will write 53 minus 48, that comes out to be 5. क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ऐसा? Because total 53, total 90 का दिया हुआ है. अगर मैं इसको split up कर रही हूँ सिर्फ 10 के interval में, तो that means I have to subtract 53 from 48 from 53. So it is 53 minus 48, that comes out to be 5. Then it is 48 minus 45, comes out to be 3. Again just आपको इसके preceding one से you have to subtract it. 45 minus 41 is 3. That means 20 to 30 it is 3. Then what is there? 41 minus 30. Again it is 3. Right? 5 minus 1 it is 4. Sorry. Now again it is 38 minus 35, 3. 35 minus 31, 4. Next वाले से minus करना है. 31 minus 24, 7. 24 minus 15, 9. 15 minus 8, it is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7, and 90 to 100, more than or equal to 90, अब एक ही class बच गई, that means 90 to 100 remains 8, right? It is more than or equal to 90, तो 90 to 100 you will be getting 8. So इसमें first cumulative was the first frequency, और more than type data में learn करने के लिए अपने लिए कुछ indications रख लीजिए. Last CF is equal to last frequency given. So this is about converting the more than type data in the normal class intervals, and now you can find out the median. What was the way to find median? Now first of you total it. 5 plus 3 8, 12, 15, 18, 22, 29, 38, 38 and 15, total is 53. So that total is matching with this 53. That means we have done our calculation right. Now how to find out median now? What was the formula for median? Median was equal to L plus n by 2 minus C upon F into H. Right? So what is n here? N here is 53. So n by 2 will be 53 upon 2. That comes out to be 26.5. Right? So first of all, for finding out median, we need to know the median class. Now 26.5. Look for 26.5 in cumulative frequency distribution table. First you will be making on frequency distribution table, that is in the increasing order. 5, 8, plus 4, 12, plus 3, 15, 18, 22, 29, then comes 38, 45 and 53. So 26.5, look for 26.5, otherwise also from here also you can get 26.5 will come in the list of 31 if it is in the decreasing order, and if it is in the increasing order, it comes when the frequency, cumulative frequency is 29. So what is your median class? Median class is 60 to 70, right? So median class is 60 to 70. So your L comes out to be 60. And what is the CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So this is the CF. That is why I said that you have to again convert it into increasing order. I repeat, whenever more than type data is given to you, the frequency is in decreasing order, that is the cumulative frequency. You convert the data in the normal data, frequency distribution table, uske baad aap again you find out the cumulative frequency of your form. Your form is increasing order. Okay, you have done this till this. Then to find out median class, you find n by 2 and look for n by 2 in cumulative frequency table and median class आ जाएगी आपकी. Median class के बाद you have to find out CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class and that is 22, right? And F. What is F? F is the frequency for the median class, and here F comes out to be 7. Now do the calculation part. How will you find out median? Median comes out to be L. What is L here? L is 60. N by 2 is 26.5. What is the CF? CF is 22 upon 7. And what is the H here? H here is it is of the class size 10, right? So you get 60 plus 26.5 minus this, you get 3.5 upon 7 into 10. ये decimal हट जाएगा. 75 2s are 2 5s. So your median comes out to be 65, right? Median comes out to be 65. So I hope the topic is clear to you. How to calculate median when more than type data is given to you, below than type data is given to you. What is the difference between the three measures of central tendencies, mean, median and mode? In the next class, I will be telling you how to find out median graphically, right? Thank you, class.